Hello everyone and welcome on today's video. This tutorial will help you to understand Revit work-sharing process better and explain differences between different types of relinquishing specific elements in the project. So let's get started. Work-sharing is an approach to design that facilitates concurrent collaboration among multiple team members within a shared project file. In Revit, projects can be divided into worksets to accommodate such collaborative environments. By creating a central model, work sharing enables team members to make design modifications to their local copies of the central model simultaneously. When you edit an element that is not being edited by another team member, you automatically become the borrower of the element and can make the changes you need. It is recommended that you synchronize with Central frequently as you work. Synchronizing relinquishes borrowed elements, allowing other team members to edit them. While working with a central model, Synchronized dialog box suggests you to relinquish specific elements that were borrowed to edit them. Here is the explanation. User-created worksets. Go to Collaborate tab and click Worksets button from Manage Collaboration Group. This dialog box allows you to review and manage all project worksets. Once the central model is created, Revit automatically add 2 user-created worksets, so you become the owner of these worksets. You can also create new user-created workset and become its owner. To allow other users to edit and work with these worksets, click on Synchronize button and check User-Created Worksets to relinquish these elements. Then click OK. Open Worksets dialog box to make sure you do not own any of these worksets. View worksets. Each view from the project assigned to its own specific workset and contains view properties and elements, such as annotations or dimensions that were added on this view. Creating or duplicating views assign new workset on each of them. In Worksets dialog box, check Views to show all view worksets. You can see that we became an owner of created view. To allow others to edit and work with this view, click on its Synchronize button and check View worksets to relinquish these elements. Then click OK. Now we can see that we do not own any of the worksets. Borrowed elements. The simplest approach to borrowing an element is to make a modification to it. If no other user currently owns the workset associated with the element, you automatically become the borrower, granting you the freedom to make the necessary changes. The borrowing process typically happens automatically, unless another user is already editing the element or the workset it belongs to. To allow others to edit this element, check Borrowed Elements in Synchronize dialog box to relinquish these elements. Family worksets. Each family that is loaded in the project is assigned to a separate workset that cannot be renamed or deleted. Once new family is loaded into the project, you automatically become the owner of the workset it assigned to. To allow others to edit or work with this family, check Family Worksets in Synchronize dialog box to relinquish these elements. Now you can see that you no longer own the workset. Project Standard Worksets. Project Standard Worksets contain project settings such as family types, line styles, and materials. In Worksets dialog box, check Project Standards to see these worksets. You can make these worksets editable. That means that you become an owner and no one can edit elements that are assigned to this workset. To allow other users to edit these elements, just relinquish Project Standard Worksets while synchronizing and make workset non-editable again. Furthermore, you can manually make needed worksets editable and then relinquish them, or do not set any check marks while synchronizing to keep ownership of specific workset or element type. That's it. Subscribe to our channel to keep learning new things with new vision. Thanks for watching.